For this example, we now have 3 variables, but we do the exact same thing as we did before. Let's first look at the x's. Are there any more single x's that we can combine it with? The answer, no. Now let's look at the y's. Are there any more single y's we could combine it with? The answer, yes, over there. Now let's look at the w's. No, there are no more single w's. There are also no more x squareds, and there are also, I don't have another color, no more y squareds. So this one is actually much easier than the first one we did, because it will equal 3x minus y plus 1/2 x squared plus y squared. And the only thing that we can actually combine on this one would be 4y minus y. So 4y minus y. So we'll bring everything down again. And it's usually best to put your exponents into descending order, meaning 1/2 x squared will come before 3x, and y squared would come before 3y, because 4 minus 1 equals 3. And we finish off with our y.